customers and friends. I'm Eric, director from OnePlus Group. And how time flies, and now the 2025 is already finished. And I give my best wishes to all of you, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And 2025 is a little tough for both of us, I think, but I hope that, I believe that in 2026 we will have a proper future. And, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Hi, this is Sherry. Wish you and your family have a wonderful holiday season and a successful New Year. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you.
Hi, this is Spencer from OnePlus. Wish you and your team a warm, joyful Christmas and a successful New Year ahead. We are looking forward to our continued collaboration. Merry Christmas.
Hello, my friends. This is Anna. Happy New Year, my friends. Now I'm in China and celebrate Merry Christmas for you. Wish you a new year with peace, love, and countless blessings. Thank you.
Greetings. This is Ollie from OnePlus. Wishing you a wonderful Christmas and a thriving New Year.
Hi, I'm Mia. Hello, I'm Camila. Wish you a wonderful holiday and a prosperous New Year. We appreciate our partnership and look forward to work together. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!